Hi everybody, welcome back for another video. We have an unboxing video of something of the small nature. It is from a shop that I have never ordered from before. They are on Etsy. Let's see. Let me pull it aside just to make sure that my invoice isn't seen. There we go. Okay. Set that aside. So I placed an order with Bassy and Co. They are a Etsy leather company that I've never ordered a notebook for. Oh, look at this beautiful coaster. It's a beautiful piece of leather. I'm gonna smell it. It smells nice. Here's my water bottle, my Quinto. That's a really nice size. I love that it's leather, and I love their delightfully handcrafted, made in West Virginia. I think they're like almost in Maryland, that part of West Virginia. Very, very cool. I'm excited about that. And here is their Bassy and Co. Thank you for helping us grow. That's their P.O. box and their webpage, bassyandco.com. I got this off of Etsy though. And it basically is, you know, talking about how to care for your leather. It says rolling the leather may cause changes in the texture and breaking in the stitches. You do this at your own risk. I know some people like to roll leather. But what I ordered was a passport size. This summer, I am going to be spending a few weeks with my mother, and I have been using my Olive Travelers company, and I've been wanting to get something a little bit more functional for wallet and to have as a calendar on the go and maybe a little journal, I don't know. But so I ordered their olive passport, and just look at the difference in the olive color. This is the Travelers company. This is the Bassy and Co. And I love green. This is the this is a Foxy Fix Spice. Very, very, very pretty. I like all shades of green. This is a chic sparrow. But their logo looks like some leaves. And then Bassy and Co. And the inside has 2 card slots, a big pocket, and then a secretarial pocket, and then the pen loop. This is kind of like a chic sparrow pen loop. This is a chic sparrow that I have, that I designed. It's a one of a kind. It was a VIP in the Darcy, Mr. Darcy leather in the burgundy. That was what it was called that time. I have no idea what it is now, but I designed it to have 2 card slots, and then of course the old pen loop. And I wanted the black stitching with it. I didn't want the white. And I even have my name, John, down there. I use this a lot. Right now I've put my stuff in this Lady Falcon Traveler, which has the same 2 pockets. I think I could have gone with this design in here, but I decided against it. So I've got my IDs up here, my calendar, a folder with a pen loop, my weekly, my grid, my zipper pouch, and something new that I'm creating for Patreon next month, which they've just learned about, a coloring book. in the passport size and maybe some other sizes, we'll see. Anyways, and then, you know, some more IDs and stuff. But I wanted to see what their notebooks are like. I'm not sure what type of leather this is. It feels very smooth, like it's been the way they do the dye, the tumbling of the dye and the processing of it. It doesn't really smell like leather. It mainly smells like the color of the dye and then the conditioners that they use. Because when that's actually what you're smelling when you're smelling leather. But let's see. I'm gonna put some stuff in here and I'll be right back. Okay, here we are as everything tipple-topples over. I've got it trying to stand up over here. What we have is the Bassy and Co passport. It's a really pretty color, and you can tell there's videos of them where they used to hand stitch, but now they've been around for a while. They've invested more into their business. You can tell that they have a like a presser foot, so that this is a machine stitched. Looks really nice quality. You can see the stitching goes all the way around. There's a little nick up there, but that's like, it looks like it's in the leather. It's not in the stitching. Here, as you can see, where they've stopped. Sorry, I had to take a cough break. I've come down with some sort of a flu. Very pretty. So what I have in here, some IDs and stuff. I have my monthly calendar in here. I have my weekly calendar in here. There we are. I have a zipper pouch, which has like IDs and cash and business cards and stuff like that in there. Something new that I'm playing with. I haven't decided I'm gonna round the corners of it or not. I think I might. The back end of the zipper pouch, and one more grid insert, which I use for notes, items that I want to pack, a bunch of that type of stuff in there. And my writing board, and of course my pen. And this is, kind of like the Chic Sparrow old style of pen loop. But it looks quite nice. And it actually is quite compact. I think I'm gonna give this a go for the week and see how it feels and see how I think about it. But what I will do is I will link down below. I will link Bassy and Co, their webpage and their Etsy store. I think if you go to their webpage, it might take you to their Etsy store. I'm not sure, but that was where I found them, was on Etsy. So if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.